Das sy en so begin Pro-Tour Kroonstad, wie anderste as Nashua. Ons praat met Yassine en Sean, hulle gaan ons vertel, hoekom is Nashua hier? En hoekom moet jy hier uitkom? Middag, hoe gaan dit?
Middag, goed en self.
Kan nie klaar nie.
Mooi.
So, begin by Sean. Sean, vertel ons bietjie. Nashua, wat bied julle vir die boere?
Wel, heel eerstens is die alternatiewe energie wat ons aanbied. Jy weet, ons solar en dan ook ons generators wat ons aanbied. So bied ons ook dan die CCTV kamerasisteme en dan ook die surveillance wat ons vir ons boere aanbied.
Now, Yassine, you were at the Bala Challenge earlier this year, so you're no stranger to the Farm Space audience. Tell us, Pro Tour, what do you expect?
Oh, well, we're expecting good times, fun vibes, a lot of customers, a lot of interaction, and as usual, lots of fun and games as we go along.
So, on the fun and games, what did Nashua bring the farmers for this Pro Tour?
Well, for this Pro Tour, we've brought in something that we refer to as AWG, atmospheric water generating,
Ja?
which we're going to showcase to the farmers. And as Sean mentioned earlier, obviously the surveillance, access control units as well. And we're going to show you guys a little bit our fuel Bowser systems and fuel management systems as well.
Nou, Sean, Nashua is meer bekend nou vir die printers en ek hoor julle het hierdie ongelooflike offers vir die boere. Wat bied julle nog? Hoekom moet die boere julle kies as Nashua?
Nou, ons is 'n one-stop shop, soos jy dit maar sal noem en soos die Engelsman dit sal sê. En jy weet, by ons is dit van jou solar, van jou kamerasisteme, na jou fuel management sisteme, kopieermasjiene, telefoonsisteme. Jy kan alles onder een dak kry, een invoice en een point of contact, en dit is wat Nashua maak.
Now, quickly tell me, Nashua, is there a Nashua in Kroonstad? Ek's in Kroonstad, hoe kry ek Nashua op my plaas hierso?
Wel, die is in Nashua Kroonstad.
Ja?
En ons is so 'n paar kilometer hiervan af.
So julle is daarom hierso
Ja,
in die omgewing vir die
ons is die
boere.
hele Vrystaat vol. En van Nashua Kroonstad af deur Bethlehem, Bloemfontein, Maseru, Kimberley en welkom. So ons is baie naby aan mekaar.
Nou, boonbehalwe die fees wat hier gaan gebeur, hoekom het die boere julle kom sien?
Wel, eerstens, ek dink die groot probleem wat die baie van die boere het is elektrisiteit en die besparings wat ons vir hulle op die einde van die dag in hulle sak kan wys.
Okay.
Dit is waar die groot ding is en daai geld weer terug in hulle eie sak te kan sit.
Yassine, so this is now, let's say, your third time with Farm Space. What are you looking forward to for the day?
Absolutely, a lot of more interaction from the farmers, interaction with our systems, getting to touch and feel all the products that we'll have on display for the Pro Tour in Kroonstad. And I think that's about it. But more than anything else, we, as our slogan says it and puts it forward, we want to save our customers time, money, and put them first.
Absolutely. And that's why you nourish that relationship that you build with the clients. And you try to be, as you said, that one-stop shop from internet, because all of the RTKs and the systems, they need Wi-Fi to work. And that's where Nashua is that key, can I say, player in the agricultural market.
Absolutely, 100%. So, as Sean mentioned, we've got a lot of offerings as a one-stop shop. Wi-Fi and connectivity is also part of our total offerings and total workspace solutions, as we refer to it.
My last question to both of you. Why should farmers visit Nashua at the Pro Tour?
Well, you start first. Of ek sal gaan. Wel, die heel belangrikste is, jy gaan jouself net indoen as jy nie na toe kom nie, om te kom sien presies wat die tegnologie is, wat ons kan aanbied, geld terugsit in jou sak en 'n goeie tyd te kom hê saam met ons.
100%. I think to elaborate what Sean has said, just to come and have a good time with us, come and see our offerings, come and see our total solutions, what we provide to market, and then ultimately, you know, we can set up a follow-up consultation to get in your space to ultimately give you that quotation.
Awesome. You should have a wonderful Pro Tour. I can't wait to see how it is. We'll show the people as we go along how it goes.
Baie dankie.
Thank you very
Dankie,
much.
dankie.
Bye.
Right on cue.
Braai, hè? Tegnologie. Right, dit was Sean en Yassine van Nashua. So hulle het gesê hoekom hulle reg is vir dit en hoekom julle definitief 'n draai moet maak. One stop shop. Jy praat met een kliënt, jy het een invoice soos hulle gesê het en hulle sort vir jou uit van Wi-Fi tot sekuriteit en alles in die middel. Daai Bowser, daai diesel Bowser is baie belangrik vir die van julle wat bietjie beheer wil neem oor jou dieselverbruik. So, kom maak 'n draai by die Pro Tour Kroonstad. Nashua wag vir julle. Dis die van Farm Space af. Tot volgende keer. Groete.